Guys, watch this entire video before you buy that $400 Shopify theme. My name is Clary and I'm going to show you how you can create a professional looking Shopify store without spending a cent on an expensive theme that doesn't even look the way you want. We're going to do this using GemPages, which is a drag and drop Shopify design tool that gives you way more control over how your site looks comparing to any theme I've seen. As always, I've dropped the outline in the description, so let's not waste any more time and go straight into it. The first thing you need is a Shopify account. You can get it for $1 per month for the first 3 months if you use my affiliate link, which I've dropped in the description. After you've signed up, just log in, go to products on the dashboard, add new product. Then either you can go down the page and add your product details, or you can just get Shopify's AI to do it for you. Just use this prompt and it'll spit out the best product name, title, and description. So if you click on this button when it's done spitting out the details, it'll fill everything in automatically. And of course, just check what's been written and make the edits where you need. From here, you can just repeat the process until all your products are uploaded. Don't forget to go to the inventory options under product and enter how many of each product you have available so you never oversell. Now we're ready to start designing, and the first step is to choose a theme, which will be the foundation of how your store will look. To choose a theme, you have to go to online store and scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here you'll see a bunch of paid themes, but don't get distracted. You won't need them because we'll be using GemPages to design most of the layout. But what you do want to look out for is a theme with a menu that you like, because GemPages can't customize this part. Preview each theme by clicking on View Demo Store, and if you like what you see, you can click Try Theme, and then publish if you're happy with how it looks. For this tutorial, I'd recommend using the default Dawn theme, which looks something like this. It's clean, it's bare, but that's exactly the starting point that you want. Now we can use GemPages to add that layer of polish. You can install GemPages by using my affiliate link in the description, and it would really help support this channel so I can continue to make video tutorials like this. Once you've got it installed, click Create a Page. You'll see the option to start from scratch, but I'd recommend using one of these templates. They already look polished and they're designed to be customized, so you can always add or tweak things to make it feel more like you. And once you've found one that you like, click select this template to start editing. Now this is the GemPages builder. It's actually super intuitive. So let's start with the banner. You can click on the text and just start typing, just like how you would in any Google document. And on the left-hand side, you'll see all the customization options. You can change the font, the size of the font, the color, and the alignment. Let's do another one. And say we want to change this background image. Just click on the image, look over to the settings on the left, and you'll see the option to upload your own image. You can even swap it out for a solid color or a background video if you want to. Basically, if you see something you want to edit, just click on it and explore the options. Let's do one more together for luck and click on this product carousel. You'll be able to choose which products to show, how many appear at a time, and even how the title and price looks. It's all right here on the sidebar. But what if we want to add something that's not on the template? For example, right now, we've got a section that shows what products we're selling, but it's also helpful to show who those products are for. And we can do that with 2 clean, simple boxes. Let's build that together. Just hover between any 2 sections and click the little plus icon, which will give you 3 different ways to build a section. The easiest way, of course, is to choose from a template because it gives you a polished starting point and you can always tweak it to suit your design. But if you want full creative control, choose Add Blank Section and it'll show you a whole toolbox of elements you can drag in. I'm just going to add 2 columns, add another row within the column, and inside the first column, I'll drop a heading block. Now let's customize it. Let's change the text size and align it center. If you right click, you can open the layer tree, which makes it easier to select elements that are covered by others, like this row where we want to change the background image. Now let's check how this looks on mobile. All you have to do is click on the mobile icon up here, and you'll be able to tweak how everything appears. So if the text looks a bit too big on mobile, you can always shrink it down and it won't affect how it looks on desktop. When you're happy with this column, just duplicate it so you don't have to build the other one from scratch. But you get the gist, so I'm going to fast forward as I clean this up. I've also added buttons, but right now they don't go anywhere. So let's link them to your collections. A collection is just Shopify's way of grouping your products, so customers can easily browse what they're looking for. First, we need to create one. So open up your Shopify dashboard in another tab, head over to Products, Collections, and click Create Collection. Give it a name, something like for him or for her, and then scroll down and add the products you want included in this collection.
Yeah.
Now you can preview the collection page and copy the link to paste it into the button on GemPages. If you preview the page, you can test if the link works, and it does. Let's fast forward again here because I'm just cleaning the page, but I hope you can see how easy it is to get a polished design without a designer or an expensive theme. The last thing we need to edit is your menu and logo. Head to Online Store, Customize, then click on the header. Scroll down to the logo section and upload your image here. You can also adjust the size here to make sure it looks just right. Next, let's update the navigation menu so customers can find what they're looking for. Go back to your Shopify dashboard, Content, and choose the main menu. Click Add Menu Item and click on the link field to find the collection that you want to add. Once it's done, hit save. Just repeat the process if you have more collections to add. And I'm also going to delete Home and Contact and rename Catalog to Shop All just to declutter the menu. Go back to GemPages so we can finally publish our page, and then enable GemPages in your theme. All you have to do is toggle this on and click Save. And that's it, guys. Now you have a gorgeous, high converting website, but all your effort will mean nothing if nobody knows it exists. And the best way to get your website seen without spending any money on ads is through SEO. If you're new to it, I've got a beginner tutorial for you, so make sure you check it out and I'll see you there.